Hi there, Maska here from Waimea Group. We're here to discuss the amazing features on our overhead suction boom on our Allvac units. This one being the 4,000 litre and also on our 7,000 litre units. So let's get into it. So with our improved boom design, we're able to have it fully extended and the hose touching the ground. Also with our 6-inch hose, suction hose, industry best practices, we put a 5-inch reducer on, digging wand, reducing the elimination of blockages right there, into a 6-inch and through into an 8-inch turret at the top, minimising any chance of blockage. So with this boom design, we've maximised the maintenance and the health and safety aspects, with the high wearing parts, being able to grease them from the ground on both sides, a really big plus. Thanks guys, I hope you found this short video informative. You're probably asking yourself, how do I get myself into one of these Allvac units? We make it super simple for you. You can either hire from us, you can long-term lease from us, you can lease to own, really popular, with no initial outlay, just only a month's lease in advance. It's all it takes to get yourself into one of these machines. Otherwise we've got purchasing options as well, through financing. So we've got it all here, super easy to get into it. No doubt you have more questions, so feel free to reach out. Thank you.